Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on Mint. If you want to use an extra protection for your Mint Intuit account, then you can turn on the two-step verification. In order to do that, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in mint.intuit.com and search. Once you end up in the official website, click on the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner. Go through the login process and make sure to enter the credentials correct and log into your Mint Intuit account. Once you are logged into your account, click on the Intuit account tab at the bottom left-hand corner. Now, from the Overview tab, scroll down and click on Sign In and Security. Scroll down and go and click on this two-step verification button, and now you can either set up a phone number option or the authenticator app option. In order to turn on the two-step verification, select one of the verification method and click on setup. In today's video, I'm going to choose the phone number option. So let's click on the setup button right next to phone number. Now you can choose whether you'd like to receive your verification code via text message or voice message. After you make a selection, click Continue and enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile number. After entering the code that you received, click Continue and then enter your Intuit account's password. After you are done entering the correct password for your account, click Continue. And you have successfully turned on the two-step verification on Mint Intuit. If you want to choose the Authenticator app option, then you'll need to click on the Setup button right next to Authenticator app and download the Google Authenticator application and make sure to enter the code sent to it, and you'll be able to turn on the two-step verification using the Authenticator app as well. So that is how you can easily do it. Each time you sign into your Mint account, it'll ask you to enter the code sent to you via SMS or the Google Authenticator app once you enable the two-step verification. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.